What's up everyone? My name is Abby and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my super healthy, super cheap smoothie.
You talk, to the way you walk, to the way you rock that body, to the way you move, to the way you groove. I know you'll be somebody, so don't you frown or let it put you down. It's within, I know you got it. So bring that fire, let's take it home. Bring it on, it's time.
One of my favorite snacks that I like preparing here at home. I call it Chia banana smoothie in almond milk. Did you know that chia seeds is also good if you wanted to lose weight? Chia seeds stimulates weight loss. It is very high in fiber that can help facilitate in the absorption of water. Fiber also helps in the digestive system and it's very high in protein. With a combination of balanced diet and regular exercise, chia seeds can play a big role in reaching a healthy weight. Your heart is gonna love chia seeds because chia seeds is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds also manage blood and sugar level. It is also good in maintaining your cardiovascular health. Chia seeds is also rich in protein and it is also an excellent source of antioxidants. It can also help us build strong bones, promote oral health, and it can also help us boost our mood, which is very important. Check out the link at the description box because I am going to put all the benefits of chia seeds because there's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I usually do my smoothie. It's up to you if you wanted to use blender. If I'm only just gonna be using banana or avocado, I don't really use blender anymore. This is how I do it. I cut the banana into smaller pieces. I usually soak my chia seeds in water for 30 minutes to 1 hour. This is how it looks like. You can just store this in the refrigerator for 5 days and it should be okay. I usually have this. I love nibbling the chia seeds like after I soak it, even though it's just water. I like the gooiness for some reason. I don't know. It's kind of like tapioca. So I can just eat it like this. I love it. Anyway, after you slice your banana, you can just put if you like to mush your banana, it's up to you. But this is how I do it. I think this is only just like 1.5 tablespoons, and you can make like a lot because it's gonna expand. Once you soak it in water or milk, it's gonna expand that you can make a lot. Banana is 25 cents and chia seeds is maybe like, I don't think that this is even 20 cents for this one here because this is just a tablespoon, and I like using a lot of chia seeds because like I said earlier, I love nibbling it. I'm usually just crushing it towards the glass, and look, it is now. So this one here is not even $10. And you can make a lot. Even though you are going to make your smoothie every day, you can use this for a long time. If you want to add more water, you can, because the chia seeds is also gonna absorb the water if you're going to add more water. And now, the milk. I have to get a new one because the other one is empty. It depends on you. If you want it a little sweet, you can use honey. I usually use honey or stevia as my sweetener, but I don't use regular sugar. But you can use any fruit. I usually just use banana because I love the flavor of banana. You can also put frozen berries and mix it or just put it on top. Some people are also using quick oats on their smoothie, which is super healthy because like 1 glass of this plus quick oats plus berries, this is technically your 1 full meal and it's gonna fill you up. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you like this video. If you have been using chia seeds, let me know in the comment below. What are the recipes that you usually do with chia seeds so that I can also try your recipe? Before I end this video, I wanted to say thank you to all of you who are supporting my channel, and I am also going to read some of the comments from my previous video. From iScoop, she said, "No hate for everyone, not alone for Asian." I agree. Thank you, iScoop, and let us love one another. This comment is from my recent video, "Don't hate me just because I'm Asian." Thank you, iScoop. If you guys wanted to see that video, click the link on the top of this video. Next comment is from MZTV. She said, "Spread the love, ha ha ha." Yes, let us all spread the love. Stop hate, stop violence, stop crime. Let us all love one another. Thank you, MZTV. And lastly, I want to say thank you to Miss Chia TV. She said, "Nice photo, idol." I am no idol. I am trying, thank you. It ain't easy. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you like this video. If you have any video suggestions, videos like this, leave a comment below. We'll try to make another one next time. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on my next video. So first, that can help facilitate in absorb. That can help facilitate the absorb. That can help facilitate. It is the chia banana smoothie in It is the chia banana smoothie in almond milk. You just need banana. Oh. Banana. They're good in.
You